Namaskar, my name is Ashish Vidyarthi, and I am super excited to be a part of the 17th Annual IIC Conference at the Jaipuria Institute of Management right here in Lucknow, happening on the 18th of March 2023. I invite you to join me at the conference where we shall all engage in a very interesting conversation. A conversation nesting diversity and inclusion as drivers of business growth. In fact, I call it, let's be open to possibilities, let's be open to others. Let's explore how we can create a better, more diverse and inclusive workplace together. So are you ready? I look forward to seeing you there. Cheers, lots of love. Let's include all. It makes common sense. Cheers.